Hello, today we're going to dive into Rule 15 of the Navigation Rules of the Road. Rule 15 focuses on crossing situations and falls in the conduct of vessels in sight of one another section. So get your notepad, flip to a brand new page, and let's dive into Rule 15. Rule 15 states that when two power-driven vessels are crossing so as to involve risk of collision, the vessel which has the other on her own starboard side shall keep out of the way and shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid crossing ahead of the other vessel. So what this rule is stating is that when two vessels are approaching each other in a crossing situation and there's a risk of collision, the vessel which has the other vessel to the starboard side is the giveaway vessel. This means that if you have the other vessel off of your starboard side, they have the right of way and they are the stand-on vessel. This diagram shows you vessel A and vessel B. You could see that vessel A has vessel B to their starboard side, so vessel A has to give way to vessel B. Since vessel A is the giveaway vessel, they would have to alter their course and pass vessel B on their stern to avoid a crossing situation. All right, congratulations on finishing Rule 15. This one was a really short one, and I think it's very easy to understand and follow along. But just to recap, in case you have any confusion, if you're involved in a crossing situation that has a risk of collision, the vessel which has the other vessel off their starboard side has to be the giveaway vessel. Simply put, if you have the other vessel off your starboard side, they have the right of way. And if you have the vessel off your port side, you have the right of way. So hopefully that clears it up and you fully understand. Organize your notes, keep on studying, and I'll be waiting for you in the next video.